CORI RAE FITMAS. CORI RAE FITMAS. And welcome back to my channel, and welcome to day 2 of CORI RAE FITMAS. So if this is the first video you're seeing of my Christmas series, then welcome. So basically for the next 12 days I am going to be posting a video every single day, and it's going to be kind of holiday themed or just, you know, a day in my life like a normal vlog, but I'm going to be posting every day for the next 12 days so we can spend some time together during the holidays, and so we can just, you know, have some fun. Maybe you can get some joy out of these videos, a laugh, they're lighthearted, because 2020 has not been the best year, so why not end it with a bang? And if you haven't seen my last video, you definitely need to go check it out, because I'm doing a pretty big giveaway and it's really easy to enter, so I'm going to link that in a card above me. So definitely go check that out after you watch this video so you can be entered for a chance to win some of these awesome things that I'm going to be giving away to one of you guys. So as you guys can tell by the title, today's video is going to be an apartment tour, and I'm going to show you guys all of the Christmas decorations that Jack and I put up. And we do have a pretty small apartment, so we don't have tons of stuff up, and also we didn't want to spend a lot of money on Christmas decorations because they're only up for a month, but we did want to, you know, get in the spirit and make it feel more homey and cozy since this is our first apartment together, and we just wanted to start, you know, the tradition of putting up our tree and all of that stuff. So this video would be perfect for some of you guys who are on a budget and you still want to decorate for Christmas, or just want some ideas of how to style your small apartment, or just for people who want to get in the Christmas spirit even more and you just want to hang out with me and see my apartment. And I also realized I never did a fully furnished apartment tour after we moved in, so this will kind of show you guys what the apartment looks like. And just a tip for you guys, if you want to decorate your apartment or your home for the holidays, but you're kind of on a stricter budget and you don't really have a lot of extra money to spend on just Christmas decor, then one of my tips for you guys is to ask your family, your parents, some of your friends, your grandparents, if they have any extra Christmas decorations that they don't want. A lot of the stuff here in our apartment is actually from my mom. She just had a bunch of stuff that she wasn't going to use, or just she wanted to buy new stuff this year. So that's what I always do before I go out to the stores and get anything. I always ask anybody that I know, anybody that I'm close to, if they want to get rid of any of their Christmas decorations before they just throw it away or not use it. So yeah, before we get into the video, please consider subscribing to my channel so you can stay tuned for the rest of 12 days of CORI RAE FITMAS, and turn on your notification bell as well. I'm going to be posting them towards the end of the day just so you guys can know when I post. And yeah, so without any further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get on into it. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you walk in. We have, you know, just our normal mat, and then this is like kind of ugly, but whatever, it's just what I have. Then we just walk in the front, and goes directly into our kitchen. I just have this little joy thing on the door. I think I got this from Target last year. Yeah, I thought it was cute. I think it was like $5. Target is the place to go for stuff like that. And then we come into the kitchen, and I got these little tea towels. It just says I just want to bake stuff and listen to Christmas music. How cute. These were also $5. I think they still have them too, so if you guys like want to go get them, they're still at Target. So, and then we have this other little tea towel in here on the washer. I got this one from my mom. Then you know how it is. We got the diffuser going. I have like a holiday blend in there right now. And then you come over here. I'm like going in all over the place, but whatever. I got this little advent calendar for cats, and every day you open it and it has a treat in it. So I got this from Trader Joe's, and I think they still have them. So if you guys want to go get one for your cat, they have one for dogs too. Yeah, they're really cute. So we've already done day 1 and day 2. And this was also only like $5 too, so. Right here, so on Christmas it's like a bigger one, so I don't know if there will be like a big treat or a toy or something in there, but yeah, we'll see. And then we walk into our living room, and we have our little Christmas tree. I got this from Walmart like 3 years ago, I think, 2 or 3 years ago. It's just a little basic white fake tree, and it's already pre-lit, and Walmart has really good deals on Christmas trees like this. I know a lot of you probably already decorated already, but just so you know, Walmart has good deals on trees, especially on Black Friday. And then down here is this little Christmas tree skirt. It was like $5 from Target. And right here, if you can see, is some of the stuff that I am including in my giveaway. And then we look at the TV and we got the fireplace going, and have this little Merry Christmas truck decoration thing, also from Target. And these two little tinsel trees, these are $1 each, also from Target. And then here's our stockings. So Jack's, mine, Jack's, Boo's, and mine. And yeah, I just think it looks really cute, cozy, and simple right there. And then up here, I just put two little poinsettias. I got these from Trader Joe's. They were, I don't know, they're pretty cheap. And they're like the miniature ones. And I have to put them up there because they are poisonous to cats, and Boo will definitely eat it if I leave it down. And then I put these three little like gold spike ball things up here because our theme on our tree is white, silver, black, and gold. I have these like little gold balls, so it just kind of like ties it all together nicely. And then we walk into our bathroom, and I don't really have much in here either, but I have this little sign that says "Believe with all your heart," a little candle, and then I put this little glass ornament ball thing over here. Yeah, we didn't like go all out because Christmas decorations are expensive. Just want to do a little something to make it feel homey. Oh, and most importantly, I almost forgot about this guy down here. This is the cedar balsam candle from Trader Joe's. If you guys have a Trader Joe's near you, they have the best holiday candles ever, and they sell out super quickly. So if you have a Trader Joe's near you, definitely go out tomorrow and go check to see if they still have any in stock. The cedar balsam one smells so good. Last year they had like a vanilla cookie one or something. I don't remember. But yeah, I don't remember what it's called. But that one smelled really good too, but they didn't have it this year and I was really sad. But yeah, the cedar balsam one smells really, really good, and they are soy candles, so they're not like toxic or anything. And yeah, so go check your Trader Joe's to see if they have one. And this door right here is our bedroom, but I'm not even gonna like go in there because our room is literally in shambles right now. So, say hi. Oh, and Boo, she's sitting on your lap. Yep. She loves me. Say hi to the squad.
What's up, squad?
But yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys in there because it's kind of embarrassing. Since our apartment is so small, we use our bedroom as our office as well, and also we have our bed shoved in there, so it doesn't look super nice, but it's, you know, what we need. And I like edit all my YouTube videos in there. Jack does stuff on his computer in there as well. Yeah, so it just has like all of my camera equipment, my ring light, like everything in there. So it just, you know, you guys don't want to see that, so I'm not gonna show you. Our closet, oh there you are, little Santa. Our closet is right here, but I also am not going to show you in there either because, I mean, it's just our clothes. And also my uniforms are in there, and I don't really want to show you guys all of that stuff, so. Oh, I almost forgot. We have this little basket thing under here. It just says Christmas trees on it. I don't really know where to put this. So I put it down here because when you're in the kitchen, you can kind of see it. And also my scale is right there. I don't know why. I never use it, but I think I took it out the other day when I was folding towels. I keep it in like a little cupboard in our bathroom. And I never really ever weigh myself, but it was in the way and I just sat it out here or something, so that's why that's there. Our life is all over the place, but it's fine. Alright, so that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for supporting me on my channel and joining me during my holiday series, CORI RAE FITMAS. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos so far. I have a lot of really fun ones planned out. I'm even doing a little Q&A towards the end. So if you guys have any questions now, definitely leave those below if you have any questions for me that you want to know. But yeah, just stay tuned on my channel for more CORI RAE Fitness videos over the next 12 days because I have some really fun ones planned out and I'm so excited for you guys to see them. Like I said in the beginning, if you haven't entered in my giveaway, go watch my last video so you can know how to enter that. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Go outside and do something that makes you happy today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!